What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark back with another video. In this video, I will be going over what I learned in 2023 trading forex. If you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also, click the notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. All right, guys. So I got my phone right here. Going over a few things. Now, I will say this is not in no particular order. Let's jump into it, man. So, number one, I would say sticking to your trading rules, all right, you'll get the best results. So if you having a hard time sticking to your trading rules, whether it's trading one session, trading one pair, using a certain lot size, only taking positions if certain things happen, but you find yourself, trading outside your session. That's something I had to learn this year. Was basically, like I said, just follow my rules, be more disciplined. Because trading outside of New York session to me is just like unnecessary, especially when you trade in like US 30 NAS 100. And I'm a scalper, so it's like I have to trade when the market conditions is at its best, all right, and I have a lot of volatility that I can, have an opportunity to hop in there and get the job done. So that's number one. I would say sticking to your trading rules or your trading plan, all right, will give you the best result. And that's one of the things I learned this year. The second thing, the second thing I learned was everybody is not on the same like mental capacity as me. So when I'm teaching people or coming across people that are trying to learn more about forex, I can't expect them to be on the same level mentally as me because everybody, have their own thoughts and their own way of viewing things. So just basically not getting frustrated when other people don't take forex serious. If you are a trader that's just now seeing like results or just now finding out about forex, I know you're gonna want to try to tell your family and friends and stuff like that about forex, but they might not be on that same, mental level as you. All right, same mental capacity as you. So they might think you crazy or you're gambling and this and that. Can't try to force people to, learn forex or understand forex and stuff like that. It has to be something that they actually want to do. Number three. All right, so this is just like general, you know what I'm saying? Nobody particular, but if you get on Instagram and you'll see a lot of gurus, you'll see a lot of people that you think trade and stuff like that, but everybody's not making money like strictly from trading. That's something I learned this year. Of course, you got traders that sell courses and have other services. I even have other services like mentorships and stuff like that, but like 80% of my income comes from the market, but kind of reverse, you know what I'm saying? When you go look at the gurus, majority of their money is coming in off of Discord, monthly subscriptions, courses, um, just a whole bunch of other stuff that's basically funding their lifestyle. They're not just getting it out the mud, like you would think, like they just trading, stuff like that. And there's no like shade in that. It's just the truth. They making money like marketing. Another thing I learned this year was automation is not for me. I see people, on the internet promoting certain things that can potentially help your trading, but I would say automation is not for me. I'm a person that actually enjoys trading, like the skill set. I enjoy having the knowledge in my brain, something that can't be taken away. A bot is something that has to be upgraded. I had a bot before that worked with NAS 100, but once again, MT4 blocked. They can deny your access and take away the bot and stuff like that. I will say this, anybody who just like lazy, you know what I'm saying, or just want to get a challenge passed and somebody with like a bot that actually work, I would say, yeah, use it to pass the challenge if you know how to trade. It wouldn't make sense for you to use a bot to pass the challenge if you don't know how to trade, because what you're gonna do on a live account, all right, you're gonna blow it, then you're gonna have to pay them again to pass another challenge, then you gotta buy another challenge, you feel me? So it's like, you gotta understand, yeah, so automation, bots, EAs, all that stuff, guys, it's not for me. I'm a more hands-on type of trader. You know what I'm saying? I enjoy getting in the market. Number five, all right. This one right here, I would say mentally affecting me this year, but it's all good. Trading for other people, I would say don't do it. But This year I learned trading for other people can literally have more mental stress on you than it is you trading your own account. Even if you had a skill set, even if you know how to trade, and I know if you do know how to trade, people have came to you before. You either tried it or you didn't. But me, like I'm always trying to look out for other people, always looking for a way for other people to win as well. But when it comes to trading for other people, it's a different type of risk. Now, it's a difference between me risking my money and knowing, cool, I can lose amounts and be good, and bounce back. But when you have other people who are in need, like they need you to pass the challenge, they need you to pay out because they need bills paid or this, that, stuff taken care of. Now you taking on other people's responsibilities. And that's like another form of stress, you know what I'm saying? When you got your own bill. So if you are thinking about like manually trading for somebody else, I would say don't do it. It's just a lot of depending on you, you know what I'm saying? And that can be very stressful. So that's something I definitely would not do again. Number 6, withdraw more. All right. That's what I learned this year was withdraw more and have more fun because I used to be a trader, guys, who just grow an account, grow an account, and then have a big day, a big loss, all right, and lose all my profits and was not able to withdraw. Even though I built the account up, I would do something crazy. So it's like, I would say pay yourself along the way. You know what I'm saying? As far as a big goal you're trying to reach, just withdraw 5, 6, 10K out of a month, and enjoy that. Um, but definitely want to withdraw. So if you are watching this video and you are a trader that just like to build accounts, you're gonna feel way better when you withdraw the money and like buy yourself something, go on a trip, or even just see the money in your bank account. Like it feels real good to know, like, dang, I didn't even have to break a sweat. I didn't have to leave my house. Like I didn't have to do anything, too crazy to make this amount of money. All you gotta do is learn a skill set. So withdraw and have more fun, guys. Number 7, peace should be your number one priority in anything, whether it's family, friends, relationships, you know what I'm saying, your job. Like, you gotta find some type of peace, you know what I'm saying, within all of that. If you don't have any peace, guys, you're gonna be all over the place, all right? It's gonna be hard for you to take the right setups if you're not there mentally. And I know, y'all, it's not a big list. We're only gonna go to 10, all right? I feel like we went over some nice key points already. But number 8, all right, what I also learned this year was people don't respect your time. People don't want you to teach them for little to nothing or free. You know what I'm saying? When you put in blood, sweat, and tears into forex, lost money, made money. Like forex builds your character. You know what I'm trying to say? It's like something once you learn it, it can't be taken away. And years of chart work, years of losses, you know what I'm saying? Years of figuring it out. And then once you figure it out, and I have a way to show you how to make 10K a month, 10K plus a month, why would you not respect my time, right? I have people pay for mentorships, but don't finish the whole program or show up to all of the calls, disappear, which is so crazy. If you pay for something, I feel like you should put your all into it so you can get the best, of the results out of it. What happens is most of the time, people are not consistent. So they'll pay for the mentorships and they'll just start missing calls because of the information that's provided. It's enough for you to make money. It's not enough for you to consistently be profitable. Again, it's like school. You feel me? You can't go to school the first week and then think you're ready to graduate. You haven't even learned all the material. So that's really what it is. And then people will see you months down the road, still going hard in forex, you know what I'm saying? Still making profit, still going in, and want you to reach back, pull them back up from where they should have kept going at. You know what I'm saying? That's what I mean by not respecting your time. Number 9, your sleep schedule and your routine is very important. All right. It's super important. My sleep schedule been messed up, you know what I'm saying, the last couple of months just because it's Q4 and I feel like the market has slowed down, and stuff like that. But you need to get you a nice sleep schedule where your body knows it's time to lay it down in the morning, a routine that keep you like mentally stable, like meditation, yoga, working out, something that can get your mind, get your mind flow going. But you need a routine, all right? You need to have some type of game plan. Just when you think about rich people, man, when you think about rich people, they have a routine. They getting up at 5 a.m., making a coffee, taking a shower at 6, going to the gym at, by 8, walking a dog by 10. Like they have a schedule that they do every day. It's just so you can be organized with your life. Last but not least, guys, number 10, trading every day, all right, can harm your profit growth. I kind of been through this like couple years in my journey that I cannot trade every day. I used to think like showing up to the market every day is something I had to do. And like I say, it's gonna take you making profit and then blowing it all, you know what I'm saying? And then then it goes to, okay, what day am I losing the most? All right, boom, let me take this day out my trading plan. All right. So we can eliminate this day because I lose the most on this day. I blow the most accounts on this day. I fail the most challenges on this day. You got to pay attention to that. That's something I learned this year was definitely um, find you a day that you just want to actually relax, no charts, just refresh and then come back. But that's going to be data that you have to look into and figure out like which day you lose the most on. And don't just say you don't want to trade on a certain day because somebody else said. You got to do your own. If you have a strategy, you know what days are your strengths and what days are your weaknesses. So that's pretty much it, guys. Straight to the point. If you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click that notification bell. Other than that,